So, what is poetry?
Good day, everyone. My name is Marvic Biarandia, and I'm here to discuss to you about poetry. So, what is poetry? Poetry is a literary art form that uses language to stir emotion, create video imagery, and convey complex ideas through structural and verses. Next is imagery. So, imagery is enable to readers to deeply connect with a text through sensory experience and using visualizing, hearing, smelling, and tasting, and feeling. Next is figurative language. So, figurative language is enriches poetry of offering multiple of layers and interpretations.
Of the wind. The whisper secrets through the leaves, a symphony of rustles, a dance of green leaves. Sunlight paints the forest floor, a canvas of gold forevermore. The river flows.
Next, let's proceed to the rhyme. Rhyme is the similarity of correspondence of sounds in the final stressed syllables and sometimes preceding unstressed syllables of two or more words. And next, let's proceed to the rhythm. So rhythm is the poetry refers to the pattern of stress and unstressed syllables in the line of verse. It's like the heartbeat of pulse of the poem, and it is created through metrical patterns. And next, let's proceed to the sound of device. So sound of device enhance the auditory of dimension of poetry, allowing the readers to appreciate the muscularity of language and the emotional resonance of.
So Sounds devices enhance the auditory dimension of poetry, allowing readers to appreciate the musicality of language and the emotional resonance that arise from the interplay of sounds and meaning. And the next one is the poetic form. So, poetic form refers to the structure of the organization of a poem, including elements such as the rhyme scheme, line length, stanza arrangement, and overall structure. And the last one is the tune and mood. So the tune and mood refers to the author's attitude or emotional stance towards the subject matter or audience of the poem. It can be conveyed through the poet's choice of words, phrasing, and style, mood.